Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll go over how to check your Ria Money Transfer history. Whether you want to track a recent transfer or review your past transactions, it only takes a few moments in the app or on the website. Start by opening the Ria app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section labeled Activity or Transfer History depending on your version of the app. It may appear under your profile icon or in the main menu after opening the Activity section. You'll see a list of all your recent transfers. Each transaction will show details such as the recipient's name, transfer amount, delivery method, and current status. For example, whether it's in progress, completed, or canceled, you can tap on any specific transfer to view more information, including the transaction reference number, exchange rate, fees, and the exact date and time of the transfer. If you're using the Ria website instead of the app, the process is almost identical. Just log into your account, click on Activity from the top menu, and review your transfer history from there. This feature is especially helpful for keeping track of your payments, confirming delivery, or checking past receipts whenever you need them.